Hello students, we will start uh, polynomial function. Yesterday we have read constant function, then power function, identity function. Now let us discuss about polynomial function. वर्तमान आमे polynomial function उपरे डिस्कशन करिबा. तमे polynomial कोन हाई स्कूल ऑलरेडी जानिछ, तथापि सेम जिंस आमे एठी भी देखिबा. Polynomial function, it is perhaps number 4, right? Polynomial function. Polynomial function. Right? What is its general form? Right? The general form of polynomial function. General form is this. It is represented by px. And the general form is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot up to an plus an x to the power n, where a0, a1, a2 up to an are real constants such that an is not equal to 0. It's called general form is this. Is a polynomial. It is a polynomial of degree n. Here px is a polynomial of degree n. कौन है जी? a0, a1, a2, an सेगुडा होचंदी केते गुडा रियल नंबर्स. x इज ए वेरिएबल. px जते बेला हमें एई फॉर्म रे लिखि दिबा, एटा कहबा गोटे पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन. कोन कहबा? पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन. ए पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन रो डिग्री आसीबो n if an is not equal to 0, right? The highest degree of the power functions present in the polynomial, that is the degree of the polynomial, right? आमे नवा एटा होची गोटे polynomial function. आमे एबे देखिबा different example. Suppose मु लेखिबि p1x 3 minus x plus x cube 2x cube. It is a polynomial function with degree 3. काहेकि एको जदि हमें ई फॉर्म रे लिखिबा, it is 3 plus minus 1 into x plus 0 into x square plus 2 into x cube. it देखो, this is a0, this is a1, this is a2, this is a3, right? Here you see a2 is 0, a2 is 0. Similarly a1 may be 0, a0 may be 0, right? So here a3 is not equal to 0. The coefficient of the highest degree of x, highest degree of x kete x cube, तार coefficient is non zero, right? 0 नुहे. काहेकि आमे या पर भी लिखि परंदे 0 into x to the power 4 no, plus 0 into x to the power 5 no. आमे कबे कहि परिबानी जे इट इज ए polynomial function of degree 5 कि 4 कहि परिबानी. काहे ना एरो कोएफिशिएंट हाईएस्ट कोड नॉन जीरो अछि x क्यूब रो कोएफिशिएंट 8. ता भितरे अन्य मानकर कोएफिशिएंट 0 आसी पारे तेणु एटा हला गोटे पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 3 डिग्री असले 3 सेमदी आमे आ गोटे पॉलिनोमियल मानकर नबा p2x 4 plus 2x square plus 7x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 5. So it is a polynomial function of degree 5. It is a polynomial function of degree 5. Right? Kaiki it will keep 4 plus 2x, sorry, 0 into x plus 2x square plus 0x cube plus 7x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 5. A formula an is minus 3, it is not 0, and the bhitere onek 0 rahi pare, right? Like this एभलिया रही पारे रही बोली सेमती माने नै न रही भी पारे, राइट? सो एगुडा कहउछन्ती सब पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शंस. These are all polynomial functions. In general, if this is a general form of the polynomial function, then now question arises, what will be its domain? Its domain will be the set of real numbers. Domain of any polynomial function is R. The set of real numbers. Domain of any polynomial function is R. Why? Because we know x, x square, these are all power functions. They are defined everywhere on this set of real numbers, and similarly for every real value of x you can calculate this. x रा जेकोनसी मूल्य पाई px रा मूल्य में पाई परिबा. for any real value of x, x रा जेकोनसी real मूल्य देले भी, real मूल्य means any real number गोटे value दे देले corresponding value हमें px रा पाई परिबा. तेनु एठी कोन आसीबो? Px is defined everywhere on this set of real numbers. So here domain of P is the whole set of real numbers, right? So this is the domain, but we can't say anything about the range. It may be R, it may be any subset of R. It depends upon the nature of the polynomial, the form of the polynomial, co-polynomial अछि, right? तेणु ग्राफ भी से अनुसार vary करिवो. For different polynomial the graph will be different. Okay, like you see your constant function is also a polynomial function of degree 0. तुम पढ़िଛ स्कूल रे constant, every real number can be expressed as a polynomial function of degree 0. डेसिमल नंबर कथा अलग कथा, सेटा पॉलिनोमियल अलग आसी विथ बेस 10. ठीक अछि. कांस्टेंट similarly px is x. It is identity function, but we can say that it is a polynomial function. How? Now 0 plus 1 into x, a formula. So it is a polynomial function of degree 1. So anyway, the ए भलिया polynomial function रा nature ऊपर depend करछि तार ग्राफ, तार रेंज एटसेट्रा. सो आमे वर्तमान केतिटा polynomial function सब तो करि परबेनी. फर्स्ट देखिबा डिग्री अनुसार ताको कैटेगोरिकली डिवाइड कराइछि. गोटे polynomial function जनरल को आइगला. जेतबे डिग्री 1 ताको कोन कहबा, जेतबे डिग्री 2 ताको कोन कहबा, डिग्री 3 इबले तार स्पेशल ना अछि. समस्त ना केते गुडे हम कहूची. फर्स्ट हम देखिबा polynomial function of degree 1. Degree 1 means that is linear polynomial function. linear polynomial is of degree 1. Then quadratic is of degree 2. Right? Cubic polynomial degree is 3. Biquadratic degree is 4, like this. So this is about your polynomial function. And let us see, if we will take a polynomial of degree 1, that is linear polynomial. Samastankara domain the whole set of real numbers. What about its graph? The graph of a linear polynomial will be a straight line. Let us see. The graph of a linear polynomial will be a straight line. The graph of a quadratic polynomial will be a parabola. It will be a parabola. Right? Let us see some example. We will discuss some example to be clear. Right? Yes. Quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, linear. Let us take an example of a linear polynomial. Right? Linear polynomial. General form. Px is a0 plus a1x. Good example naba. Px is equal to 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Actually, if form रखले it is minus 3 plus 2x. सहज में एमती लिखो. Right? ठीक है. So this is about polynomial, linear polynomial domain. What will be the graph? Let us see. X, y. Yes, कौन कहती? We will take suitable points and we will see. हमें देखिबा केते गुडे निर्दिष्ट बिंदु बाहर करिबा ताकू सरल भाव रे जॉइन करिबा तापर हम ग्राफ पाइबा ता पूर्व हमर आईडिया आसीबा दरकार को पॉइंट रे ये x एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट करूची छेद करूची को पॉइंट रे y एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट करूची तो कौन करिबा अच्छा x एक्सिस को कोठी इंटरसेक्ट करिवो से जोठी इंटरसेक्ट करिवो सेठी केते आसीबो x टा सॉरी y टा 0 x एक्सिस रे जे कोनसी पॉइंट नबा सेटे y आसीबो 0 ता माने px रो मूल्य टा आसीबो एटा px रो वैल्यू टा आसीबो 0 राइट तो यस px 0 आसले एटा कोन आसीबो 3/2 3/2 means 1.5 right then x 0 नेले एटा केते आसीबो y minus 3 right then मन इच्छा में पॉइंट पाइबा x is equal to 1 नै जिबा it is minus 1 2 नै जिबा it is 4 minus 3 plus 4 केते आसीबो प्लस 1 राइट माइनस 1 ने गले इट इज माइनस 5 राइट ए बडा हमको आसीगलानी केते बडे पॉइंट आईडिया आसी जीवो लेट अस सी the points in the 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 like this minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 like this. So yes 3 by 2 0 3 by 2 means 1 whole 1 by 2 that is 1.5 this is the point. Then 0 minus 3 0 minus 3 this is the point. 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 this is the point. Then 2 1 2 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 5 here you will get just see it is a straight line. If you take the graph paper you will get the straight line more ठीक असला नहीं graph paper पूरा perfectly आसीबो it will be a straight line it will be a straight line. It will be a straight line right. So the graph of a linear polynomial is a straight line. और देखिए अब एक क्वाड्रेटिक रो केमती आसुची क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल राइट दिसला नेक्स्ट क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल quadratic means degree 2 degree 2 quadratic polynomial means degree is 2. Let us see quadratic polynomial तुम समझते acquainted with quadratic polynomial जेमती कि general form px is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square एक परसेंट जब degree 2 degree is 2 here let us take an example px is 2x square plus 3x minus say 1 whatever it may be right. So yes you take suitable points x y कौन करिबा एको आईडिया करिया पई हेले फर्स्ट एको गोटे होल स्क्वायर फॉर्म रखिया पड़ो इट इज 2 into x square plus 3 by 2x minus 1 is separate. This is 2 into x square plus 2 into 3 by 4 x plus 9 by 16. Plus 9 by 16 means I want to make it a whole square. 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 minus 1 is there. So it is 2 into x square plus 2 into 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 2 into 9 by 16 minus 1 right. So it will be what 2 into x plus 3 by 4 whole square and it is minus 9 by 8 minus 1 that is 1 by 8. 2 into x plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 17 by 8 right. Yes. So what is the minimum value of this? If this quantity will be 0, then it has the minimum value. I'm just plotting. Minus 17 by 8 means minus means below. When x is equal to 3 by 4, suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, or like this. Simply minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this. When x is equal to minus 3 by 4, means 3 parts out of 4 parts of 1, 3 upon 4, right? Minus 3 by 4. Minus means left hand side here, right? X is equal to minus 3 by 4. Then only it will be 0. X plus 3 by 4. केतेबेले 0 हो? जेतेबेले x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Right? Yes. A point. ताले सेठी y रो वैल्यू केते आसीबो? Minus 17 by 8. Minus 17 by 8 means minus 2 point something. 2 whole 1 like this. Suppose here. This is the point. And this is the minimum value. Minus 17 by 8. कहीं की ना x राव जे कौन सी मूल्य दले एटा कौन आसीबो पॉजिटिव आसीबो पॉजिटिव हेले एथरे ऐड ही चलिबो ए वैल्यू टा बढ़िबो सो एनीवे एबे देखि परिबा में आस्ते आस्ते हमें तमे पॉइंट दियो x px डिफरेंट वैल्यू हम जदी नबा देखिबा एठी ए ग्राफ विल बी लाइक दिस ए भलिया just like a parabola. केमती आसीबो ना x रा डिफरेंट वैल्यू मन इच्छा निया सपोज x is equal to हमें 1 नबा x is equal to 1 sorry x is equal to 1 then y आसीबो केते 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 17 by 8 calculation time waste हो सेति पे just तुमको आईडिया दे देली this is 2 into it is 4 plus 3 7 माने 49 by 16 minus 17 by 8 that is it is 49 by 8 minus 17 by 8 49 232 by 8 that is 4 so भूल लेला ग्राफ टा आउट की ए हड़िया ऊपर पळेबो x जेतबेले 1 थिबो एटा आसी जीवो 4 राइट 4 ई सार पेरे एंती इंक्रीज करबी पड़ो राइट सो दिस इज द ग्राफ इट इज एटा कोन को जाय पैराबोला द ग्राफ ऑफ दिस फंक्शन क्वाड्रेटिक फंक्शन सब जगह रे पैराबोला आसीबो राइट ये कोटू स्टार्ट है इनिशियल पॉइंट बा एमती रिवर्स एमती भी पारे it depends upon the nature of that polynomial vary from polynomial quadratic polynomial to quadratic polynomial तेनो एग्जैक्ट ग्राफ त हम तार करि परिबा नाही राइट ओके अच्छा एबे हमें तुम देखिबा रेशनल फंक्शन वेरी सिंपल rational function ratio of two polynomial functions is called a rational function right ratio of two polynomial functions is called a rational function ratio suppose px is a polynomial qx is also a polynomial their ratio will also a function which is known as rational function. Fifth one, rational function. Ratio of that means if px and qx are two polynomials जे कौन सी polynomial px two polynomials, then the ratio px by qx is a function called rational function. नुआ नाम टे हमें कहीं देले ना, इट इज नो मोर ए पॉलिनोमियल। दुईटा पॉलिनोमियल रेशियो टा हेई पारे पॉलिनोमियल किंतु सब बेले हबनी। हां तो एटा गोटे रेशियो ऑफ टू पॉलिनोमियल्स, एको हमें कहबा रेशनल फंक्शन। नाउ द important thing here is the question is what will be the domain of this rational function. हमें पढ़िचु कौन पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन रा डोमेन होची होल सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स। तो ये जदि दीटा पॉलिनोमियल हेले px और qx दीटा पॉलिनोमियल, ताहले px by qx रा डोमेन कौन हो? कौन को आउची डोमेन रे ना the set of values of x for which the functional value can be obtained, right? But here you see it, देखो जो जगह रे qx टा 0 हेई थिबो माने हमें पढ़िछि सब भग्नांश डिनोमिनेटर हर ओडियर कोच तक नै कि डिनोमिनेटर जोठी 0 सेठी संख्याटा अनडिफाइंड इनडिटरमिनेट, the value is indeterminate. Suppose तुम कहबा 2 by 0, it's meaningless, it has no value, right? It is not a number in the number line, so it is not defined. कि कोंती infinity, अरे infinity is not a point, हम सीमा बाहर को जतले पळाए से विषय में later on discussion करिबा what is that infinity, but here it is not defined. केमती 0 रे भाग करिया केमती infinity कोड आसीबो, भाग करले त आसीबो, right? So it is undefined. तेनु एठी px by qx रा मूल्य हमें पाई परिबा नाही. We cannot get the ratio px by qx because at that point qx is 0. But example लेबी छोटे example, suppose very simple example हम नबा px ला 2x plus 3, qx ला x minus 2. धीरे धीरे linear polynomial नेली धीरे धीरे नेली एबे हमें जदी गोटे फंक्शन तैयारी करबा fx which is equal to px by qx, कोन आसीओ 2x plus 3 by x minus 2. हम फंक्शन ता 8 2x plus 3 by x minus 2 ए भलिया फंक्शन ता जदी ए भलिया फंक्शन हला what will be its domain? आर डोमेन रे गोटे प्रॉब्लम होबो कोन ना ए डिनोमिनेटर जोठी 0 होबो x रा जे मूल्य पाई x minus 2 टा 0 सेठी fx रो मूल्य हमें पाई परिवानी x minus 2 टा कोठी 0 x is equal to देखो तुम्हें f of 2 is not defined. काहेकि 2 is like 2 into 2 4 plus 3 7, it is 0. 7 by 0 meaningless, so it's not defined at all. F of 2 is not defined at all. So what is the domain of this function? Domain of this function will be r difference that point 2. से domain रे रहे पई नुहे ताको हमें बात दे देले, right? So this is the domain of the rational function, right? इनकर भी स्पेसिफिक केमती ग्राफ हमें कर परबनी, रेंज भी सेमती बाहर कर परबा ना। तेणु एक केवल रेशनल फंक्शन जोड़ देथिबो डोमेन बाहर करबा पई हेले हमें देखिबा को पॉइंट रे डिनोमिनेटर इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग तुम्हारा कंटिन्यूटी डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी सी ये पॉइंट गुड़ा दरकार हो कहीं ना लिमिट denominator is 0 here, the function is not defined at that point, so this is not in the domain of the function. Very important. rational function ra domain bahar kale ame kon kariba first ना देखिबा डिनोमिनेटर टा को पॉइंट रेटा गोटे पॉइंट आमे आ गोटे एग्जांपल नै परबा भी सेमती माने कर fx आउट नै परबी x - 2 * x + 3 by x plus 1 minus into x minus 1. It have a quadratic if you will multiply, this will be a quadratic function, this is also a quadratic function. What will be its domain? Who can say? Yes, we can say that domain of this function is R difference the points where the denominator is 0. जो point रे denominator 0 आसुची से पॉइंट रे डिफाइन होनी कोड 0 हो ना जो x + 1 0 x + 1 कोड 0 at x = -1 बा ये जो 0 हो कोड 0 हो 1 रे x तो 1 तले ई दीटा पॉइंट हमर डोमेन रो बाजू. Very simple. So domain of this function will be R difference, right? Similarly, if you take the square root function रे कौन आसीबो here fx is equal to square root of x. Yes, हम देखिबा what will be its domain. Domain of f is it is closed interval 0 to infinity, because negative numbers will not be there, right? Why? Because we cannot find out the square root of any negative real number. x रा जेकोनसी नेगेटिव वैल्यू पई हमें स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x बाहर करि परिबा नहीं. So domain of f will be this, the set of non-negative real numbers. These are all those we have already discussed. These are all algebraic functions. In my next video we'll read about your absolute value function, signum function, then your greatest integer function, exponential function, logarithm, very important functions. We will discuss in my next video, right? Okay. Yes, try to subscribe my channel while you are observing. जेतेबेले तुमे वीडियो देखुछ आउ कोन रहुची तुमरो जानिया पई प्रॉब्लम होची, प्लीज कमेंट मी, then I can prepare myself according to your needs. Okay, तुमरो जहा दरकार से अनुसार मैं कमेंट करि पारो, so that we will modify our teaching. Okay, thank you.